guys! Woo! I feel like Selena, you know, this look. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be sharing with you guys how I do my makeup in less than 10 minutes. So if you want to get this look, please keep on watching. So let's start. This is with the fresh face. Skincare's already done. And we're going to go ahead and start with the Perfecting Primer. Vamos a empezar con una base que es un primer. Lo que sirve es de que te va a sellar todos los poros y se va a quedar tu maquillaje muy uniforme. I'm going to go ahead and blend that. I added little hearts, sending love to all you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let's blend that out really nice. So difuminarlo. Now we're gonna go ahead and brush our eyebrows. I'll be doing another video on how to do them. Stay tuned. Les voy a hacer otro video de cómo hacer bien las cejas. Vamos a agarrar ahora este colorcito. No vamos a agarrar muchos colores de sombras. Vamos a agarrar solamente dos. Let's go ahead and blend this one really well. We're only going to be using 2 colors in our eyes. So blend that in really well. El secreto de las sombras es que se difuminen muy bien. Keep blending, let's keep blending. Comparing our eyes, make sure one's not way darker than the other one. Now we're gonna go ahead and get this color, number 3. And we're gonna grab a little brush. We're gonna go ahead and blend it right outside our crease. Vamos a difuminarlo fuerita de nuestro ojo, sin miedo, ligero, lightly. And remember to always tap that shadow because you don't want to end up fully with a lot of powder in the bottom of your eye. So make sure you tap that. Nice. So let's grab these 2 colors. We're gonna put them under our eyes, blend it in really well. Just kind of to close our shadow. We're gonna also do it at the top of our eye, all over. Not too dark, just very lightly. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and clean that. Same sponge that we used to put our primer. You can use your fingers to use your primer, but I like the sponge because I like to clean my makeup. Now, we're gonna go ahead and use our foundation. We're gonna go ahead and apply 2 pumps. And grab our sponge. I already wet it, but I love to spray it with my makeup setting spray. Just because I feel like when you spray it with the makeup setting spray, your makeup will last longer even if you wet your sponge. So let's go ahead and blend that makeup in. Press it in your pores. Do not wipe it. That's one of the secrets. Presiona el maquillaje en tus poros. Nunca te lo talles. Si te lo tallas, no se te va a ver muy bonito. I know, girls, the makeup looks super white, but it's the lighting, definitely. Just keep blending, pressing in. Blend, blend, blend. So ahorita vamos a poner el corrector. We're going to use this concealer, e.l.f. Cosmetics. I love it, but I use a hydrating because my face is super dry. And if your face is oily, try just the normal camo concealer. We're going to keep pressing that in. Sigan presionando el corrector. It's high coverage. I used to use a lot the Tarte, but I found this and I was like, wow, $6. I love it. I'll take it. Now we're going to use this dark powder. We're going to go ahead and contour our face with this brush really fast. Put on a shirt. Let's not get dirty. We're going to put it under our cheeks. Make a kissing face so you can get your little bones out. under your chin, contour that. And this is the quickest way to contour with the little powder. If you have a little to 10 minutes to do it, just contour that face and make it look slimmer, not a full moon. Trust me, don't be scared. Start putting little by little. Put it on top of your forehead. If it's small, then you don't need it. But if it's a little bit like that, then yes. Now let's do our nose. Slim it down. Just little by little. Awesome. Now let's go ahead and do this blush. I love it because it's not that pink. It's like a light brown. Same thing, blend it really well. Make a kissing face to get your bones out. Apply as much as you want. There's people who don't use blush at all, but this is just awesome. Now we're gonna go ahead and use this pressed powder. It's translucent. I usually set my concealer right after I put it, but for some reason I forgot. So let's go ahead and set that concealer. We don't want it to crack. Let's take off that shine. We're gonna also bake just a little bit. We're not gonna use powder because we don't have time for that right now. Quick. Under. Nice. Now we're gonna brush it all off. Vamos a difuminarlo todo con una brocha. Todo ponerlo junto. Let's blend that all together. No harsh lines. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and highlight with this white shadow. We're gonna apply it on the tip of the nose. Oh, so cute. A little bit on the line of the nose. Make it look slimmer. Siempre que salía yo afuera, alguien me decía, ¿tienes algo en la nariz? Girl, it's highlight. What are you talking about? Want to shine and make it look nice. Cupid's bow. Cute. Okay, let's go ahead and set that makeup. Spray it. Set it up. Whole day, please. No te caigas. A little bit of air so we can dry. Okay, let's curl our lashes. Vamos a enchinar. Poner poquito rímel. A little bit of mascara. I actually love this mascara. It's 3-in-1. You twist it, it gets smaller, it gets bigger. It's kind of funny. But it's for volume and length, so it works. Under our eyes. Now let's put some lashes. These are the Baddie B #saucy lashes. Super cute. I love them. Duo glue, of course. Esta parte es opcional, no necesitas ponerte pestañas, ya acabaste con el look. Pero yo me las voy a aplicar, vamos a soplarlas. Me gusta darles un doblez para que se queden más chinitas. So I love to twist them just so they can get curly. Because sometimes lashes are pretty straight, so we want to make sure they hang in there. And I love this quarantine time because I have no nails and I do not need tweezers to put my eyelashes. Girl, looking like a different person. Natural look and dramatic. Just some lashes make a huge difference. Let's apply the other one. Y si no sabes ponerte pestañas, pon primero siempre la mitad, después de un lado hacia otro, pero la práctica hacia el maestro. Here, keep applying. Oh my god, got it on my eyelid. Seriously? Let's grab a sponge, girl. Just clean it up. Está bien, si agarras glue, solamente lo limpias. I love my little primer sponge because I can do magic with it. Now let's use this pointy brush. Use the eyeshadow again. Let's close and seal this look. Final touches, it's what are most important. Little details. Under our eye. Yes, let's use this lip liner, Dusty Rose. I love it because it's super light and pink. It's not too heavy. I used to not use lip liner, and girl, I see some photos, I go back and I'm like, damn, we need it. Finish off this lipstick. It's called Free Spirit. It's pretty neutral. It goes with everything. And we're done. Yes, this is the final look. Alright guys, drop the brush. We are officially done with our makeup tutorial. This was less than 10 minutes. I do it every single day. Probably not the lashes, but every single day this is what I do, and I wanted to share with you guys because a lot of people think you are a pro at doing makeup, but just honestly blend that out, blend it, and you'll be good to go. So si te gustó el video, hazle like, suscríbete a mi canal, like and subscribe guys, because I'll be sharing with you guys what I do to take care of my hair, my skin, and how to do different buns as well. Also, if you want to see a different video, comment down below.
For this look, just to finish off before I go, I want to go ahead and put on some hoops because it complements a nice turtleneck, a bun, and this makeup, and they look super cute. And who doesn't love hoops, right? Fix our hair a little bit.
And we're done, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you back in my next video. Bye!